Hey guys, I spotted this pretty rare Mustang at my local dealership today, so I decided to film it for all you Mustang fans out there. I have done the 2015 Ford Mustang review a couple weeks ago, but it is just a plain base model. Now this one comes loaded with option, plus it is the 50th anniversary edition, so I wanted to go ahead and film it so you guys can see the difference between the two. Link for the base 2015 Mustang GT is down in the description box below if you haven't watched it. Now, the 2015 Ford Mustang is an American automobile manufactured by Ford Motor Company. It is currently in its 6th generation, and today I'm proud to present to you the new 2015 Ford Mustang GT Premium 50th Anniversary Edition in Oxford White. The new Mustang GT comes with a 5-liter V8 engine, boasting 435 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, which is even more powerful this year. The new advanced engine is intended to maximize power generation from every compression with larger intake and exhaust valve, new cylinder heads with revised high flow ports, and new intake, as well as the new exhaust camshaft with increased lift. For 2015, the Ford Mustang is also sharper, with new standard signature LED tri-bar tail lamps with sequential turn signal indicator. Dual exhaust tailpipes are also standard on all models. The aerodynamic on the new Mustang have also been improved. The new body is 1.5 inches wider and sits 1.4 inches lower than previous model. The front also features the standard new signature HID headlamps with integrated tri-bar LED daytime running lamps to match with the LED tail lamp. The new Mustang also features a brand new suspension system for both the front and the rear. The new double ball joint front suspension improves high performance driving dynamics, allowing for larger brake without excessive wheel offsets that would affect steering feel, and the all new integral link independent rear suspension that help improve body roll and isolate road imperfection for a better feel, improved ride as well as precise handling. Now, the new 2015 Mustang GT offers a very aggressive front end thanks to the newly redesigned trapezoidal grille, and of course could not be done without the help of the newly redesigned signature HID headlamps that comes with integrated LED tri-bar daytime running light, turn signal light and fog light, and at the bottom is the aggressive air dam that direct air into the engine. And a closer look at the trapezoidal grille with chrome accents and Mustang logo in the middle. And the Mustang GT also comes standard with dual air vent on the hood for air to pass through. Beautiful lines throughout the exterior. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. This particular model comes with the optional 19-inch luster nickel aluminum wheels with 255/40W rated tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs with the large brake caliper for better braking. Brake calipers are painted in silver. .5-liter badge on the fender. Body color side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal indicator. And here's a look to the top. Rear wheels are also 19 inches. Behind the rear wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and the brake caliper painted in silver as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system with traction control as well as electronic stability control. To the back, the first thing you will notice is the new LED tri-bar tail lamps that come standard on all models. LED tail lamps also feature the famous Mustang sequential turn signal indicator. Very nice looking LED tail lamps. At the bottom is the aerodynamic rear diffuser that framed the dual round chrome tip exhaust with dual sound mode. GT 50 years anniversary badge. There's the rear view camera, which will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And the rear spoiler. Third LED brake light on top. Okay, here I have the remote. Very stylish looking remote with Mustang logo on the back. Now on the remote I have the lock, unlock, remote engine start, trunk release button and panic buttons. Now to start the engine, just lock the vehicle and press the remote engine start twice to start the engine. And press it once again to stop. Now let's open up the vehicle and take a detailed look at the interior. So the Mustang GT does come equipped with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, place your hand behind the door handle to unlock. The exterior color is known as white, featuring a full black leather interior with white contrast stitching on the seat, black on the dash as well as door panels, with silver aluminum trims and chrome accenting trims throughout. Very sporty looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up and see how it sounds. So with your foot on the brake, push the start button to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Ford Mustang GT have to offer. Under the hood is a 5-liter TI VCT V8 engine with sequential multi-port electronic fuel injection, 6-speed select shift automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, rear wheel drive, pushing out 435 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, can hit from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds and hit the quarter-mile time in just 12.8 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 city and 25 combined. Very impressive engine. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. The 2016 Chevrolet Camaro is a two-door coupe with seating for 4 passengers and is available in 4 different trim levels, starting out with the 1LT, 2LT, 1SS, and last the 2SS model. A convertible model will also be available sometime later in the model year. The one I have here today is the 2LT RS, dressed up nicely in cement white exterior with exclusive adrenaline red and black leather interior. The Chevrolet Camaro has long been known as one of America's muscle car and was designed as a competing model to the Ford Mustang as well as the Dodge Challenger. It is an automobile manufactured by Chevrolet and is now currently in its 6th generation. For 2016, the Camaro was fully redesigned inside out. Nearly every part of the Camaro was redesigned. The new 2016 Camaro body was made around a smaller, lighter architecture while respecting the predecessor design. This allowed for a smaller, wider, and more athletic Camaro shape. This tighter proportion in a sport car that shed up to 390 pounds translate into a more responsive braking, better attack in and out of corners, and a noticeably more nimble performance. Tighter proportion also let the aggressive body feature like the fastback profile and rear quarter panel become more pronounced, creating a road presence that's hard to ignore. This tester we have here today comes loaded with options. It comes with the RS package, which includes the 20-inch wheel, xenon headlights, LED taillight, a special grille, and the rear lip spoiler. Technology package, which adds a 9-speaker Bose audio system and an 8-inch touchscreen with voice control. The convenience and lighting package will add a heated and auto-dimming exterior mirror, rear parking sensor, illuminated sill plate, driver memory function, a heads-up display, an upgraded multi-function gauge cluster display, multi-color interior ambient lighting, a heated steering wheel, wireless device charging, rear cross-traffic alert, a blind spot monitoring system, as well as the lane departure warning system. Up front, the first thing you will notice is the HID headlamp with LED signature daytime running light, as well as turn signal light. Very cool looking LED daytime running light. LED fog lights and chrome accented grille with iconic RS badging are also equipped with the RS package. And a closer look at the grille. Very aggressive looking front end. It also comes with intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. And there's a closer look at the windshield wipers. Looking at the side, you see the cornering light and the 20-inch 5-split bulk premium gray painted machine face aluminum wheels with 245/40 all-season tires. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs with silver painted brake caliper and RS badging on the center cap. Camaro badge on each fender. Body color side view mirror. And here's the look to the top with the shark fin antenna. Rear wheels are also 20 inches. Behind the rear wheel is also the internally ventilated brake disc and the brake caliper painted in silver as well. It also comes with anti-lock braking system, stability track, as well as stability control system with brake assist. It also comes with the tire pressure monitoring system on all 4 wheels. Cornering lights are also integrated into the rear bumper. Now moving to the back, the first thing you'll notice is the iconic LED tail light that comes with the RS package. Integrated into the tail light is the LED brake light as well as LED turn signal light. The tail light are very unique and stylish that you know it is a Camaro if you ever see it at nighttime. And there's the rear deck spoiler that also comes with the RS package. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser that framed the dual chrome tip exhaust. Rear deflectors and park assist are also integrated into the rear bumper. And a closer look at the exhaust tip as well as the rear diffuser. Rear view camera is located above the license plate, and it will activate once the vehicle is in reverse. And there you have the third LED brake light on the trunk lid. Okay, here I have the remote with a Chevrolet logo on the back. On the remote I have the lock, unlock, engine start, and the trunk release, as well as panic button. Now to start the engine, you have to press the lock button first and then hold the engine start button for a couple seconds until the engine starts, and then press it once again to stop. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. So the car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, just press the button located on the door handle once to lock, and after a while press it again to unlock. The exterior color is known as Summit White, featuring exclusive adrenaline red and black leather interior with silver aluminum trims throughout. Very sporty looking interior. Now let's jump into the driver's seat, start it up, and see how it sounds. Now to start up the vehicle, all you have to do is put your foot on the brake and push the engine start to start. Now let's pop the hood and see what the 2016 Chevrolet Camaro 2LT have to offer. Under the hood is a 3.6 liter V6 direct fuel injection engine, rear wheel drive, 8-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel mounted paddle shifter, pushing out 335 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 284 pound-feet of torque at 5,300 RPM. Can hit from 0 to 60 in about 5.1 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited at 155 miles per hour in the US. EPA estimated fuel economy is 18 city, 28 highway, and 21 combined. Very impressive engine. And there you also have the Camaro lettering under the hood. Now we're going to shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. Bold, aggressive, and muscular, the 2015 Dodge Challenger is an icon of true American classic muscle with iconic styling. Standing in front of you is the 2015 Dodge Challenger RT Plus, dressed beautifully in jet blue per exterior paint. The new 2015 Dodge Challenger comes with a brand new interior with seating for 5 passengers. It is the only American muscle coupe to offer seating for 5. The hard plastic surfaces from the previous model were gone, replaced with a modern dash with soft touch material, and an 8.4-inch touchscreen display on the center dash, and a fully modern instrument cluster with a fully customizable 7-inch center display. The performance heritage interior is finely crafted and loaded with technology. All in all, the new Dodge Challenger is one classic American muscle vehicle with iconic style and modern technology. The Challenger has always been one of the largest and blockiest muscle cars comparing to the Chevrolet Camaro and the Ford Mustang. For 2015, the Dodge Challenger stayed up to date with its competitor with newly revised exterior, including the new projector HID headlamps with quad LED halo daytime running lights, as well as the halo LED turn signal light. New split grille with Challenger RT badging on it, and the available projector fog lamps that light up the night. A powerful bolt hood with engine mounted air intakes and black RT decal on it. Intermittent windshield wipers with adjustable speed. There is the cornering light. This particular model comes with the 20-inch polished aluminum wheels with graphite pocket with 245/45 performance tire. Behind the wheel is the set of internally ventilated brake discs and the large brake caliper that comes as a part of the performance braking system. Body color side view mirror. And here's the look to the top. Rear wheels are also 20 inches. It also comes with electronic stability control, all-speed traction control, rain brake support, as well as ready alert braking. To the back, you see the new split LED tail lamps with integrated turn signal light, as well as brake light. LED tail lights with shiny gloss black surrounds. At the bottom is the black rear diffuser with dual chrome tip exhaust. Park assists are also integrated into the rear diffuser. Rear body colored spoiler with rear view camera in the middle. And the third LED brake light is on top. Okay, here I have the remote. On the remote, I have the unlock, lock, trunk release, and panic button. Now let's open it up and check out the interior. Now the car does come equipped with smart access key system. So with the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. And press it once again to unlock. The exterior color is known as Jazz Blue Pearl, featuring two-tone interior color, with black and pearl Napa leather sport seat, with brown contrast stitching, black on the dash, black and pearl on the door panels, and silver aluminum trims throughout. Very sporty interior. Let's go ahead and jump into the driver's seat, start it up, and see how it sounds. Push button ignition. Just push it once to start. And now let's pop the hood and see what the 2015 Dodge Challenger RT have to offer. Under the hood is a 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine with variable valve timing, 6-speed manual Tremec transmission, pushing out 375 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. Can hit from 0 to 60 in about 5.5 seconds. EPA estimated fuel economy is 15 city, 23 highway, and 18 combined. Now let's shut it down and take a detailed look at the interior. The all-new 2014 Corvette Stingray convertible has been fully redesigned with more angular styling, improved interior quality, more power, and new technology features for the year 2014. Precision isn't just a word. For the designer of the all-new 2014 Corvette Stingray, it was a mantra. Throwing off the constraint of tradition, world-class engineers started over from scratch to build a revolutionary lightweight vehicle with the aesthetic impact and the performance progress worthy of a Stingray emblem. Since Stingray was originally designed as an open-top vehicle, the convertible design is nearly identical to that of the Coupe, and no compromises were made in its creation. With its sculpted, athletic exterior and driver-oriented cockpit, it is a beautiful instrument of precision with purpose-driven design. A lightweight aluminum space frame replaces steel, carbon fiber, and carbon nano composite structure reduces weight even further to achieve optimal handling and acceleration. Stingray boasts a third-generation magnetic selective ride control, a 7-speed transmission with active rev matching, and 5 distinct driver modes ready for any road. A solid machine that is very sexy and attractive. It sure will turn heads everywhere it goes. Up front, you see the functional hood air extractor, direct air from the front grille up through the forward tilted radiator and out of the engine compartment. Each blade is precisely angled for optimal airflow. The result is reduced front-end lift, increased downforce, and improved handling at high speed. Frosted indirect high-intensity discharge headlamp are the eye to the technological soul of the Stingray, emanating crisp color, brightness, and efficiency. The new element bear a sharper, more sinister shape, framed by H-lit amber LED turn signal and black chrome housing. Bi-xenon HID technology achieve high and low beams with a single light engine. Here is a closer look at the hood air extractor. Cornering light are also built into the front bumper. The front offers 18-inch 5-spoke aluminum chrome wheels as an upgraded option with the racy red caliper and black Corvette lettering on it. The specific Corvette Stingray fender with the Stingray emblem. Even though the front comes with 18 inches wheel, the back comes with 19-inch wheel, which is a little wider. Also comes with the red brake caliper. To the back, You easily notice the signature 4-element tail lamps bear a new angular shape and form elegantly into 3-dimensional sculpted lenses. Concealed indirect LED lamps cast light into reverse reflector to achieve crisp and even luminescence. Rear diffuser with mesh insert on each side and decored round chrome tip exhaust that make this car sound like no other. There is your rear backup camera. A high-mounted stop lamp crown the rear deck lid. It's a design that doesn't look back. And here is the look at the back with the light switch on as well as the rear cornering light. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. There's a button behind the door handle. Press it to open. Beautiful interior. The interior features two-tone color, Kalahari and black. Seats come with Kalahari leather with suede insert. Dash and door panel are partially wrapped in leather with silver accenting throughout the car. Alright, let's take a closer look at the door panel. Very nice. 2-position memory seating for both driver and passenger. There is the easy exit button. Both windows are fully automatic. Press that button to open the door. Stingray door sill. The steering wheel is designed exclusively for Stingray and hand wrapped in natural leather. A smaller race-inspired steering wheel enhances grip and driving feel. A discreet, flat Euro stitch lends a subtle but crafted feel. Steering wheel mounted paddle initiate active rev matching on the manual transmission or manual shifting on the automatic transmission. Also comes with multi-function controls side by side for your convenience. Alright, let's start it up and see how it sounds. Beautiful instrument. Push button ignition. Foot on the brake. Push the button to start. Under the hood is a 6.2-liter V8 direct injection engine, rear-wheel drive, variable valve timing, pushing out 455 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, 460 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque with dual performance exhaust. EPA estimated fuel economy is at 17 city, 29 highway, and 21 combined with manual transmission. The automatic is rated at 16 city, 28 highway, and 20 combined. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds.